Hi, this is Allie, and today we are playing Piggy, and it looked like there is It looks like there is a what's it called? Update. Not update, but event. Infection something. I don't know, but oh, I got here just in time. Piggy is down there. Oh, he's fast. Go, go, go. Run! I know where the key is. So they haven't opened that door yet. I'm going outside. Yep. First key right there. Oh, see the board. Okay, I'm coming back for that. I saw someone. Piggy, it's perfect! No, where am I? Oh, that's scary. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's infection! Now we're both piggies! Oh, I was confused. Now I'm going this way. This is fun. I like this event. So I'm going all the way upstairs. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Alright. What? I can't push traps. Ooh, how are you gonna escape? No! How could I have missed? That was like the saddest. Oh, I see her. I see you too. Ooh, there are 3 piggies now. Where did she go? Did someone get her? I don't know, but they have. Wow, this update is. I mean, not update. I keep thinking that's an update, but this is awesome. Infection? What? There's only one more person left. Where are they? They can't be over there. I think I saw them. I'm the only one with a cool skin. I see her. Oh, she's a piggy. Who else? I heard a door open. Got it. Ooh, yes. Okay, this is a nice event. I'm glad I got to come here on this event. I don't want to be piggy. I like being piggy, but not this time. I want to... Oh, and there's also a new... it's kind of new. A new, place. Chapter 7, Metro, something like that. Yeah. But I want to do a house. House is my favorite. I think someone left because we chose house. Oh, infection! Oh, there's 4. That's awesome. I wonder if this is an update. Or if it's just an event, like it's gonna come and then leave later. This is so cool. Awesome! Infection has... Oh, no! Okay, fine by me. Fine by me. This is going to be fun. Okay. Now I wait in the room. So, what? I can't place any traps? I guess I can't place any traps in infection. I guess they might have forgot to put that or something. Now we just wait. Use your traps to stun players. This is gonna be fun. Oh wait, I woke up. Yay. I might camp. No, I'm not gonna camp because I see something. I know you're gonna go down, so I'm just gonna drop down. No! I see you. I saw you. You're done for. You're Piggy too. So you better come get her. I know where you're gonna go. Wow, I didn't even know she was there. Oh, I see you. You're trapped. That was easy. Next time I kinda wanna do the regular one though. So next time I'm voting for regular one. This takes so long. Wait, let's see if there's new skins or something. Let's see. Nope. Now let's pay before they vote. I'm gonna vote for house again. Oh yes, a full game. Let's see. I want player. You know, I want infection because I don't want bot. Because if I put player, I don't know which one it's gonna pick. Infection. I love this new update. Not me. Yes. This is the place that George Pig was watching. What was that sound? So, let's go. I don't want to be like the last one when there's like 50 piggies. Not 50, but you know what I mean. Piggy's gonna be here any second now. 10 seconds. Get the red key. I know where everything is. But Piggy's coming. I don't want him to get me. What? There's 2 piggies already? How? That piggy's coming after me. Go, go. No, please, no, that was 3 piggies. How is that fair? Come on. You think that's fair? I hear some. Got it. Ooh, okay, that game is way too fast. So I am going to vote for the regular one. Now we just wait. Wait, so I saw someone with this zombie one. But I don't see it in the skins. That is really confusing. Maybe it needs to be refreshed or something. Next time I want to do Metro. I'm gonna pick player, just a regular player. Because that's way easier. Infection is hard. Player plasma. Okay, please don't be me. I want to just play. Don't. Okay, good. Not me. Okay, that was a glitch. For a second there. Yes. Everyone's looking for the keys. They know. Everyone knows where everything. Oh yeah, I'm going the wrong way. But I don't care. I'm just gonna wait because I want to be the first one to get the key. Because everyone knows where everything is. I wonder if she got the key. She got it. Come on. Ooh, hammer. Can't get me. I saw. Okay, they know. Oh no, she's here too. That's all I needed. I got it. The wrench. The wrench or wrench. 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 I know Piggy's gonna be there. They know. Oh, you almost got me. I hope they already found the board. Yep. Because I found the wrench. Got it? That's what that noise is for. Okay, going in. Going down. Camper. Wait. I gotta wait. Camper. Yes, that's perfect. Perfect. Thank you. What should I? Wow, the green and the red gear's down there. I'll be back for that red gear. Get the red gear. Not get you're getting it. I'm just going this way. Okay. Come on out with the key. Got it. Not you. Yes, I got it. Oh, nope. Right there. I made it! Woo! Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!